All right, so this is the African Black Mamba Dick Enlargement Oil. Okay, this is it. Most of you already know it. It's part of the package, it's part of the whole dick enlargement set. But you know, not all of us have the same financial strength. So, for the sake of those who cannot afford all the set, the best of them to have is the oil. At least try and have the oil and start the process with the oil. It's a very potent oil. It's in most cases it's enough for what some people, but with others they will need all the sets to be able to realize their full potential. But since the process is not a very short process, it's always best to start it. Don't always wait till you get the whole money before you come and get the full sets. If you can't, just get the oil and start the process with the Mamba Dick Enlargement Oil. Okay, it does a lot